We live in a world of constant motion. We walk, we run, we drive, we travel, we move forward. We try to anticipate the future, seeking safety, comfort, and reliability. We are demanding, always looking for the best solutions to care for what matters most. At CAF, we've been committed to you for years. If there's one word that defines us, it's commitment. Committed to your fleet from the beginning to the end of its useful life. We provide technical assistance, spare parts supply, and turnkey projects, including corrective, preventive, and predictive maintenance. We optimize the reliability and availability of your fleet. We use AI-powered state-of-the-art digital solutions. LeadMind is our game changer for smart maintenance, CAF's data-driven platform that enhances fleet operation and maintenance decision-making. We anticipate breakdowns and optimize vehicle operation, reducing your fleet's life cycle cost. We are committed to your operational excellence, taking care of your fleet so you can take care of your passengers. Sustainability is also our commitment. We optimize energy consumption, modernize fleets, and extend their useful life, contributing to more efficient, safer, and greener mobility. And of course, committed to people. They bring together the know-how, innovation, and experience in the rail industry to optimize rail services, so you can rely on us. This is what moves us, what makes us grow and move forward, together with you. We are CAF, committed to you.